Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites featuring dishes for every meal of the day. And here now is today's host.
Hi there, how are you? If I were to ask you what is a suitable accompaniment to escovitched fish, what would you tell me? Yes, I know you're thinking just that. It's Bammies, in whatever form, whether it is a whole Bammy cut in 4 or 8 pieces, a mini Bammy, a small Bammy, or Bammy sticks. But before we get into the dishes, let me introduce you to the presenter for today. She's Nordia Smith, and Nordia works with Twickenham Industries. Nordia, tell me, what are you sharing with us today?
Today I'm sharing how escovitch sauce should be done to put on your fish. Today we're doing escovitch sauce to serve up with your fish. Here we have our vegetables. We have onion, we have chocho, we have Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, and carrot. We're going to use Grace vinegar to saute all of this. Now I'm pouring in the vinegar. Wow. After pouring in the vinegar, I'm going to add my onions. Then I'll be adding the chocho. Then we'll be putting in the carrot, which is fine strips. Okay. We'll be adding our Scotch bonnet pepper. And last but not least, our pimento. All we need to do is stir all of this just to mix everything to get a nice flavor to put on your fish. You just stir so that the flavors can blend. So when we put this on our fish, all outside can smell and taste your fish. Okay, here we are blending and blending. And we're about done. We need to put this on our fish. We have a variation of colors, which you know that a lot of people tend to eat with the eyes. Once the colors are there, then the mouth's watering. Then we need to pour over our sauce onto the fish. Here we have some lovely fish. I know a lot of people tend to love big fish. Now we're pouring over. Here you see the colors, the variation of colors. All right. You need to put a bit of the vinegar on it, just to allow it to. And here we have our fish nicely with a lot of colors. And this is the finished dish. Okay. We're also using our mini Bammies. Here we'll be dipping them in a bit of milk, which is graced milk, coconut milk of course. We'll be putting them on a plate. We'll be microwaving, which is quick and easy for all those who are in and out of the kitchen. We'll do about 3. Here we're brushing them with Hello Margarine, which is also a Grace product. I'll need to brush lightly to add nutritive value to them. All we need to do now is to pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it is done. Here we have done some ahead of time, and this is our finished dish.
That escovitched fish is really lovely, and I know this sauce will complement it very well. The colors there are beautiful, right?
Thank you very much.
And we learned something here. We did this in the microwave for just 30 seconds.
Yes, for just 30 seconds, which is also save time for those who are in and out.
On the go, rushing to work, that sort of thing. And the margarine will improve on the food value, as you mentioned, and really would add to the texture, eh?
Yes.
And I noticed that those came out really very soft and really very nice.
Really, yes, they are. Really they are very nice.
Right. They are. Nordia, we want to thank you for coming and sharing these ideas.
And thank you very much for having me.
And I know you want us to share these recipes with everybody, right?
Of course.
Yes, we must share them with you. Quick and easy ideas. We invite you to write or call us at Grace Kitchens, and we'll surely get these recipes to you.
Make it a date to tune into Smile Jamaica, 7:35 every Monday morning, with a repeat every Sunday at 2:50 p.m. That's Creative Cooking by Grace Kitchens. Don't miss it.